Unfortunately, the layer that I printed, it gets deviated from the expected one. You can see from there, and I cut some up there this way. I don't know how to fix it, but I will show you how to fix this problem. And it took around 2 days to complete this one, so I don't want to throw this whole print and lost the material. Okay, that's my original model. So last time I print like from up to this layer, and you can compare the layer based on the how much you left in the 3D printer. So what I do, I am going to make it yes. So you can see that this the rest of the model get cut by the z-axis, and also you can control the z-axis distance from there. So my assumption, uh, my model was breakdown from there, so I take this there and then slice it, and after slicing, the next step will be I will glue together this this portion and the rest of the portion that I've printed previously, and after gluing it you will have a nice model. Alright, here it is. So I printed the rest of the portion and glued it together. You see, there is a little bit gap between the layer. um, I'm not sure how to fill it up, but I guess you can use clay and make it white by painting it. And there are all the portions. So I guess I'm not throwing out the whole things. Instead, I just modified the model and make it working. Thanks.